In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send Google Form responses to Sheets. If you've ever collected answers in a Google form and wondered how to organize them instantly in a spreadsheet, this is exactly what you need. Linking your form to Google Sheets gives you a live, organized table of every response, complete with timestamps so you can sort, filter, and analyze without manual copy and paste. Start by opening your Google form in edit mode and head to the Responses tab at the top of the form. You'll see it next to the Questions tab. The Responses tab is where Google collects all the submissions for you, and this is also where you'll connect the form to a spreadsheet. Next, look in the top right corner of the Responses tab for a small green icon that looks like a spreadsheet. This is the Link to Sheets button. Go ahead and click it. This is the key step that tells Google Forms where to send incoming answers. A prompt will appear asking you to choose your destination. You have two options. The first is to create a new spreadsheet. If you pick this, Google will automatically create a fresh Google Sheet, usually named after your form. This is a great choice if you want a clean, dedicated file for just this form's data. The second option is to select an existing spreadsheet. Choose this if you're consolidating multiple forms into one file, or if you already have a reporting workbook set up. When you select an existing spreadsheet, Google Forms will add a new tab inside that spreadsheet just for this form's responses, keeping things separate and organized while still living in a single file. After you've chosen the option that fits your workflow, click Create. Google will immediately set up the connection and open your linked sheet in a new browser tab. You'll see column headers that match your form questions, along with a timestamp column. Each new submission will appear as a new row automatically, no extra work needed. From here, you can review incoming data as it arrives, and if you're collaborating with a team, everyone with access to the sheet can view the responses in real time. If you ever need to double check that the link is active, just return to the Responses tab in your form and look for the spreadsheet icon. Once linked, you can quickly jump back to the sheet from there. And that's it. Your Google form is now connected to Google Sheets, making your data easier to manage, analyze, and share.